Welcome to the Balluff Demo Van, where you can see the latest automation solutions in action. Our demos include a range of technologies such as level detection, airproofing, hydraulics, and pneumatic sensing, washdown applications, welding automation, and robotic applications. With our precision sensing solutions, you can achieve highly accurate measurements and control in a variety of industries. Our pick-to-light system streamlines material handling processes, improving efficiency and accuracy. Our line change guidance system ensures that your production processes run smoothly, even when there are changes in the size of your product. With our RFID and traceability solutions, you can easily track and manage your assets. Our IO Link and networking solutions enable seamless communication and data transfer between devices and systems. Thank you for joining us on the Balluff Demo Van. We hope you learn more about the latest automation solutions and how they can benefit your business.